Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot, and today we're going to discuss the flotation kit that comes inside the Breeze 4-wheel drive. So you'll notice, along with the warranty registration card, you have two foam pieces. Not all pools are created the same. There's different curves, there's different angles. So at some instances you might notice that the Breeze 4-wheel drive is having a little difficulty going to the surface. So what we've done is we've included, in case you need them, we don't think you should, two floats. To install the floats, you're going to want to pull out the filter basket, and you'll notice that there's an extra slot for this float to fit. The same goes for the other side. When you do one, you do the other to keep the floats balanced. When you're done, reinsert the filter baskets, and away you go.